Say hi.
Hi.
He's looking to... Hello. He's looking what you're doing. Look. Ito. Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleanser. Who's squeaky? I don't like cookie.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Good afternoon. Late na akong nag-vlog kasi I was filming and also I was editing video. And dumating si Tami. Tuesday ngayon. Dumating si Tami. Andito siya. Kakarating lang niya kaya pinulot kong camera. Tignan natin itong mga junakits ko. Sobrang excited nito. Excited! Come in! Give me that pizza. Hala, hala. It's heavy. Hala. You get some pizza. Pizza. Excited, happy. Smells good, baby. Where's Dada? Dada. Ang dami palang binili ng asawa ko. Meron palang siyang... Just leave that there. Excited, Rocky. Excited. Binilhan ako ng croissants din. Dahil alam na wala din akong croissants. But anyway guys, good afternoon. Late akong nag-vlog. Kasi plano kong mag-vlog kasi dito yung asawa ko. So yun.
Hi, Ann.
Look guys. Look what he got for me. But he's a hard head anyway, no matter what.
I forgot you.
Okay, tulungan ko muna siya kasi marami siyang nadala pala galing Costco. Bye.
Did you take one of these tunas, one of the other tunas?
Oh, yeah.
One of them? Okay. Don't make sure I don't forget nothing. I won't leave it in the car.
House, look up si Bag's outfit too.
No, man. You didn't come see me at the door. You know I brought you tuna.
Yeah. So,
Oh, you got your spam?
yeah, I don't know why you get. There's more here and there's more in the other house. You're crazy. Yeah, you buy it. Look, you get a nice pizza. Pizza.
You got two lemons here.
Yeah, I told you. Like, and plus there is more here.
Is it?
Yeah.
I'll take those back.
And I never use it. What is this, Han? Is this sausage, garlic?
Is what?
Sausage, garlic, pizza.
This one.
That's, you got it.
This container?
Container, you bought it. Not like the memory lost.
Where's the top?
Somewhere over there. You have space? Here, spend. Meron ng tindahan si Tami. Sari-sari store. Anyway, I will see you later. He's here. Say hi.
Hi.
Look what he's doing, guys.
What am I hitting?
Huh? What?
Oh, lemon juice, maybe?
The lemon juice is in your hand. Where is it?
Oh, what am I? The door's hitting something.
The lemon juice, that green lemon juice, it's supposedly... That is fine. That's fine, you can close it.
Let's go here. Where's the other? I know
You need to put the shelving in there, Han.
I'm gonna put this tuna here.
The shelf over there?
Yeah.
Please.
Puppy.
Just happy.
Hey, puppy. Puppy.
Dada's little girl.
Puppy.
Look at me, this haircut, Han. I guess Tammy bought something. Like, show it to me. Show it to them. Where did you get this casco? Oy, how many sets in this?
There's 9.
I like that it's dark
9
gray.
containers and 9 tubs. So 18 pieces.
Yeah, just 9. Yeah, but I like it that the gray thing. The other house have a lot of garbage. I'm gonna throw garbage of that container
Well,
because you have so many container anyway.
I know. A lot of those containers are never gonna come here.
Yeah, but then look at that. I'm gonna have the
A lot
vlog.
of them they're just gonna get.
And I need a container place for the whole container because like it's scattered everywhere.
I never know. It never looks like there's any.
Yeah, I need to put. I need to have a cabinet
this
for that
cabinet, some of that
speaker.
cabinet, some
I'm
of this-
gonna put all that actually water and then thing over there. Ito yung. Ilagay ko lang ito. Han, do you wanna change? Huh? Why? Did Hub say thank you to you? For the croissants? Paborito kasi ito ni Hubs, guys. 4 o'clock na pala. Isang anuhan lang ito. Isang pasukan. Sayaw-sayaw ako dito, guys, sa darating yung dalawa dito. Darating yung nilang dalawa. Sasayaw lang ako. Ayan, darating yung si Roxy. I love you. I love you. Sasayaw lang si Mama, darating ka. I love you. I love you, big boy. Oh, you like it. I touch over here. Why you sit down? I like to touch your butt. Look at this. Nakaupo lang siya dito. Nakaupo. I like yes, I'm touching your hiney. I'm touching your hiney. Your hiney. Oh, your hiney is hiding somewhere right here. I need to cut your hair, baby. Okay. You like it? Yeah, I know you cannot reach over there. I know. You like it, baby. I know. I love you. You're my special baby. Yes. You're my special baby. Yes. Special brain damage. Simba ko kang. Nalibang nagtikang kang. Simba ko kang. Hala. Ikakat ko lang tong turkey na nabili ni Tami para i-press ko. Hala.
You had tuna?
Yeah.
Where'd you get tuna from?
The one left. Look at this little man. Oh, low bat. I get another battery bag. Hungry little man. Hungry little man.
Okay, so I guess tuna won't be special if I give you tuna.
No. Just give them the turkey that I just cut from Costco. Han, that little man, han ba?
Yeah.
Ay, naku talaga, bag. Bagti. House! That's not your couch. That's not your couch, bug. Look at that look. Oh, don't cute now. I'm done. Okay, turkey. That's a bug. Allah, the other one bird. Allah, Han is still, Han, oh, look. It's like a snake, Han.
Yeah, he's smacking me with
It's smacking your freaking face. And you're allergic, Han. Little bug, oi. You're such a special little bug, oi. This one right here, I can't wait to look.
Yeah,
They're all hungry,
I noticed that.
especially the bug. Hello, the bug. Hubs. Yes, I called you. You're so cute. Hala, Han, you want to jump, Han? He's looking too. Hala, he's looking what you're doing. Look. You make Dada's back hurt, baby. Look at this. Look at this. What? You cannot jump in the stove, huh? Makes you happy? Yeah, I know. Makes you happy.
All about the food.
It's all about your backhand. You are special too, baby. You are special too, baby. I marinate, ano pala guys, salmon from Costco. Lutuin ko yan mamaya kasi early pa, we had lunch late. What time we had a pizza, Han? 3 o'clock, right?
2:30.
Yeah. He jumped. Dimples, go get it.
Yeah, look, he's eating the regular food as a turkey.
It's good, Han. It's good that he eat the regular food. Tom is fixing again, guys. Fixing something.
This is too loose.
The thing is loose, right?
I don't like it. It feels so loose. I want it to be a little tighter.
Don't ruin our counter.
No,
This one out, look.
that's supposed to be it. There's a little screw to adjust it, but that's supposed to be all right.
Allah, I push it.
Oh, yeah, she's ready. What's wrong?
It's cold outside, but look, I'm barefoot. No socks, nothing. Kumakain na yung mga anak ko. Dimples is still not eating, hon. Tignan natin tong mga ala. Anong ganaw mo? Ay, may nakita na ako doong bangag. Bangag. Ay, naku, wag mo akong ituklod-tuklod, Rox. Tignan nito. Uy, naku. Naku talaga. Tignan nga natin dito kasi meron ng... Ay, no ba? Meron na si Roxing binangag dito ba? Anong tawag nito? Oh? Siya to, oh. Oh, look what you did, oh. Oh, you make a hole in here. Look, she made a hole. Look, ang daming hala. Tignan nyo to, guys. Ang dami ng ano ni Roxy. Look. Bangag. Ito talagang si Roxy. Hala, let's go, Dadas. Go. Wait, let's go. Tignan nyo to. Tignan nyo to. Daming. Si Roxy pala itong nagdidig dito. Nagkabot, bagyot, nagkalot. What did you get?
Well, I'm curious if this will fit in there, but I'm gonna say.
What is that for? That's not for over there.
Replace these lights.
But this one is you bought it for where? For the porch?
Maybe you can see the dogs better at night.
No. It's far, hon. You cannot really see. Because the yard is so long.
Well,
This is only light up in not far. Oh, it's just... Look, did you see the picture? It's just in the... Ay, nako. You're crazy, hon.
I want to see. I'm gonna have to take down that drain pipe to get to it. Though.
Home zone security.
Just an outdoor light.
It's a solar light? Solar. Okay. Ako mahilig talaga magbili-bili. Basta may mga ganito. Magbili talaga yan, guys. Magbili. Bahala, walang pila, guys. Basta kayo magbili. Basta gusto niya. Nakakaloka din ito. Kaloka. Naluka na talaga ako, guys. Luka na ako, guys. Sobra pang luka. Dahil sa asawa kong loko. Ito dong light. Kapag andito yung silang dalawa. Yung light. On lahat. Naka-on lahat. Diba tayo mga Pilipino, guys? Kapag...
I'm gonna need a ladder or a step stool or something. This mounts like this. So the lights will have to go like that.
Okay.
But the motion sensor
Doesn't move. So we're supposed... The motion is supposedly under
it's
the
supposed to be
light.
mounted like this. This is mounted upside down like this. So the motion sensor doesn't twist.
No, I think that's what the motion is.
Yeah, this senses the motion, but it should twist.
Yeah, but you cannot twist it. You can see, oh, it's stuck.
Yeah, but it's see it's in the ball. It should be a metal loop.
Diba sa atin, guys, sa Pilipinas, kapag may naka-plug.
If not, it'll go in the garage.
Hmm?
If not, it'll replace the garage ones, which have to be replaced also. But
Which one? The outside?
yeah.
It works properly, the
One of
garage.
them doesn't work at all.
Oh, the entrance
Yeah,
really.
one doesn't work at all.
So, diba sa Pilipinas, guys, kapag may light, yung plug, naka-plug, i-unplug mo lahat. Only refrigerator at saka yun, yung naka-plug lahat. Dito, guys, lahat naka-plug. Sabi pa ng asawa ko, hindi daw yan mag-ano ng electric.
Yeah, this motion sensor don't. See this, you can do like you can change the lights all kinds of ways. But the motion sensor you can't change. So even if I go that way, still not.
No, that's not just, if you put that in the garage, it's supposedly facing, not down, no sensor. That the
Well,
kid can
ideally,
see.
these are supposed to be mounted on a wall like that.
Yeah, that the thing can see, and then you put the light down like that.
Actually, underneath.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, but these they have mounted underneath like this.
In the corner of the fence, to put solar light, you put in the other house. I saw that in
They had some over there.
it's like that. I
They
can
were
see
really
the
cheap.
road.
They were
A pole,
post
huh?
lights, like long post
one,
lights.
yeah.
But they only had 3 of them, and all 3 were retaped. So I think there must be a problem with them. They were all returned.
Yeah, because we cannot see the animals. We cannot see the dogs if they're outside, guys. Only, kung ano lang talaga yung problema dito, yung hayop ba, yung sa kayure, makakain talaga yung aso ko dahil hindi talaga namin sila makikita doon sa pinakadulo na. Madilim ang kahapon ko, guys. Madilim ng kahapon ko. Takot. Takot, guys, mukha ko, guys. Natakot ka, guys. Tumaas na talaga itong buhok ko, guys. Sobrang saya. As in, yung foundation pala na ginamit ko, guys. As in. Oh my God. Hindi siya mahal. Ay, nako, ginoo ko. Nagustuhan ko talaga ito, guys. As in talaga. Cover girl. Ready sit. Gorgeous. Masarap. Maganda talaga, guys. As in, no joke. Tanggalin natin itong si makeup, guys. So, ang gagawin ko is, saan ba yun? Nakita ko na pala yung charger. So, ito yung gamitin ko. I-wash ko siya. Waterproof pala ito, guys. Madala mo sa shower. Sa likod, pwede. Before ako gagamit niyan, gamit ako ng pads sa ito. And then, ang gamitin ko is itong si Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. Ito yung gamitin ko kapag mag-ano ako ng makeup. Dalawang pads yung magamit ko usually. Yung sa liig is at ito yung gagamitin ko, Neutrogena, pang ganito. Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleanser. And then, safeguard yung last. Safeguard. Ano ko, routine ko kapag may makeup. Lately, hindi ko siya nagamit. Nagamit ko siya, ano na, dito na siya, oh. Ginagamit ko siya, of course, Skinol. Skinol. Kasi itong Skinol, diba, ito yung gamit natin, guys. Ay, grabe. Classic white. Ito yung gamit natin sa Pilipinas. At saka, nakakamiss talaga. Masarap siya gamitin sa mukha. Masarap matulog na amoy Skinol. Yun. Yun, ito yan siya. So, yun. Mag-moisturizer. Itong moisturizer ko palagi kong gamit ito, guys. Nakatulong talaga ito. As in, hindi ko na na-feel yung every winter, grabe yung ano ko. Yun lang yun yung ano ko, guys, routine ko sa pagtanggal ng makeup at kung ano man yung nilagay-lagay ko. At saka, di ba may dryness ako dito? Dito sa kilid, dilagyan ko siya ng cream. So, yun lang. Tapos na. Thank you, guys. Punta tayo sa baba. Kasi andun pa si Tommy. What are you talking about? What happened? Oh. Han, God. You know it's dark, maybe there's something in there you don't know.
Hey! That's it.
Yeah. You don't listen, this dog is like ridiculous. Behave! Hard head. No. I-end ko na tong vlog. I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's not enough. Look, tignan nyo yung face ko. Sinaw, agi lang. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Tommy's drinking scotch. Because he is one of the scotch. Give me a hug.
Scotch. What is a scotch here?
No, you don't hug me
What
properly.
is a scotch? I'm gonna feed him treaties.
No, always
Trees.
squeaky. I don't like squeaky. Please. I don't like
Scotch. Scotch.
Okay, guys. Hindi kayo nakaintindi? Intindihin nyo lang. Anyway, guys, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for liking this video. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet. I will see you tomorrow. Let's see what my husband's doing. Giving treaties to the kids. To the kids. Itong office, I can't wait this office. I cannot wait this office to have TV, desk for paperwork, and couch. And a cat office. This is the cat's office, guys. It's not really Tommy's. And that's the place when Tommy's need to smoke. Diyan siya mag-smoke. At saka, he need to buy a What do you need to put in there?
Fan, exhaust.
Exhaust, because that's the place that he's going to smoke. I don't want him to smoke over here because it travels everywhere. I know it travels, but it need to have he need to have a very strong exhaust that the smoke in the office close the door and then it will suck it out. But anyway guys, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Say bye, Han.
Hi guys.
Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Yeah, so goodbye.